Hello family, welcome once again yet to another video. I'm called Laris Komando, and first off I want to thank each and every one of you for the support, for the love you've been showing since I started this channel, which is only about 2 weeks old, and I really received some positive comments, some positive feedback, which makes me really happy and gives me the drive to go on and do some research and share more knowledge with you guys on the channel. I'm really grateful for all that. Now, I'm going to be creating a series of videos on this topic, which is the investment topic, which is taking over the whole place, like people talking about Bitcoin investment and all that. So I'm going to start a series of talking about how to avoid being a victim of Bitcoin investment scams. Okay, because there are so many schemes out there which people use to deprive people of their money and to steal money from people. So in this video I'm going to list some characteristics of such schemes and sites and companies. Okay, so if the company comes to you and you go through all this list of characteristics which I'm going to list in this video, and this company checks for like 2 of these characteristics, my advice to you will be take your money and start running very far away from this company, okay? Because we've heard of, I'm sure you guys have heard of the case of Bitworld Center, BitConnect. Now we have one which you call AM Global or something. Just if you haven't heard of it, just do a little Google search on you on the topics, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Many people lost their life savings. People were really heartbroken because the so-called investment companies stole their money. Now, I'm going to list the first characteristics of such companies is the promise of high return. Okay, they're going to come at you with promises. We invest in Bitcoin, we'll take your money, we'll invest in Bitcoin, and we'll give you 10%, 20%, or 25% every month. Okay, that is a huge red flag for any company who tells you they're investing in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Okay, now the second is familiarity, or they'll try to associate themselves with larger existing firms. Now this is a really good tactic which they use in order for people to create a sense of trust and credibility in their prospective users. Okay, so taking the case of AM Global again, they when you search for their name on Google, you have the links to their site, and when you click on it, it takes you to another redirects you to a site that is rebranded as Forbes Family Investment Funds or stuff like that. I can't really remember. This is a tactic for them which is really working, because when they associate themselves to such large companies, clients or their prospective clients would feel safe because, okay, I know of Forbes, and I know Forbes is deals with financial news and all that, so I feel safe working with a company that is associated to Forbes. You understand? So this is a really good scheme they use. But now, if you contact Forbes and ask them about this, I guarantee you 99.99% of the time, if not 100%, they have nothing to do with such companies. Okay? The next red flag is the multi-level marketing scheme or the pyramid scheme. So these companies, they come at you, they say, okay, give us your money, we're going to invest this money for you in Bitcoin and in the crypto world because this is a new technology and all that. And they'll tell you, if you give 1,000, we're going to give you 20% profit each month. Now, if you convince another person to join your network, then you make profit from your 1,000 of initial investment, and you make profit from the investment of the people under you in your network. That's a simple definition of multi-level marketing or pyramid scheme. Okay, so these people come at you with this multi-level marketing and pyramid scheme. Those are all fraud, especially in the cryptocurrency space. Now, the next red flag is you know nothing about this company, and within a week or 2 or within a month, everybody is talking about this company. They create a great hype so that everyone is talking about this company, how it's making them rich and all that. Those kind of companies my advice to you is run very far away from such companies, okay? Because they create hype in order to gain more confidence and to gain more clients, okay? The next, they always come to you telling you, when you ask them, how do you generate profit, which you share with us, they'll tell you, we do mining, Bitcoin mining or cryptocurrency mining, we do trading, and when we receive profit, we will share with you. When we buy Bitcoin low and we sell high, so we receive this profit and we share with you. All those schemes are mostly scams. I wouldn't dismiss it all like 100% scam, but 99.9% of the time, these schemes are scams, and these are what they tell the ignorant clients in order to gain their confidence. And since you don't understand this technology and how it works, you fall a victim. Okay? Now, the next huge red flag is when you access the site of this company, you wouldn't find concrete information. There's no or less information about the people who run the company, like the CEO, the developers, and all that. Because if you have a real company, you have to put like out the social media, Twitter, the platforms for the client to be able to communicate directly with the team, which like offers such services. It's like you talking to your manager in the bank. The same works for this system, but now you notice that you never find such people or such information available to the general public, like for people to do some background check to see the other projects or their past projects. Okay, this is very important. There is no one who will just create one project and boom, it explodes. They must have done some previous projects, so they have to provide information on their previous project before getting to where they are now. Okay, next is you wouldn't find information on how the company works or how to make the profit. They'll just give you this fake and vague information. Okay, now the next huge red flag is when you go to find out when this company was actually registered, especially their website. You discover most of the times they're registered in the past month or the past year or like the past 2 years. Most of these companies are newly registered companies, and they are almost always registered as private companies in order to deprive the public from seeing the person or getting information on the person who actually registered this company. Okay, so when you find a company whose website is registered as private and is asking you to give your money in order for them to invest in cryptocurrency, my brother, take your bag, take your money and start running very far from these companies, okay? Because these are huge schemes which are really invading Africa and giving the blockchain space and the cryptocurrency space a really bad name. So now you've understood the technology. If any company comes to you asking you for money, for your money, in order for them to invest it for you in the crypto space, you have to check these characteristics, and if it checks out even just 2 characteristics, my advice to you is take your money, start running. Run very far. They will chop. These people know how to chop their money. Hey, they will eat all this money, all the money you've sweated for. They will finish it. So my advice to you is, if your company checks out with any of these characteristics, withdraw your money if you have it there. Withdraw your money and start running away from these companies. Okay? So in the next video, I'm going to tell you guys some reasons why people fall for these scams, how to avoid these. So this is a series which I'm going to be making, because if I try to put it all in one video, it's going to take a lot of time. This is already very long, but hope you guys learned something from this video today. If you've learned something, if your eyes have been open to something, and you're registered in such sites, you've deposited some money, my advice to you is withdraw at once. If your friends have registered, withdraw. Ask them to withdraw. Share this video with everybody so that they can be aware of the fact that such schemes exist and what they're telling them isn't truth. Okay, isn't the truth. So share this video. Leave your comments if you don't understand anything, or you have any question, you have any other website or company who has these very characteristics. Leave them in the comment section below. If you want us to investigate such companies, leave them in the comment section below. Share this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the videos on education of this space. Like we're talking about the education in the blockchain technology. Okay, we're going to educate more people about how the blockchain technology works and the crypto space in general. Okay, so I'm really grateful for the support I've been getting with this new channel, and I promise you guys I'm going to do my best to do research and bring more videos, not just once a week but maybe twice or 3 times a week. Okay, so if you've learned something, share this video with your friend, share with your father, with your mother, because you never know who's talking to them and convincing them to get into such schemes. Okay, so until then, I really appreciate. Much love for you, my family. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, and stay safe. Stay safe. If you have money, withdraw now. Withdraw your money now before it's too late. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
1 milhão de kwanzas atrasado, 1 milhão de euros atrasado.